I shall be talking about stainless steel, how this material is a sustainable solution and the right choice for building infrastructure and uh, buildings. This is a very beautiful building. Everyone might be willing to go there, Eiffel Tower. But the fact is, uh, painting is done every 7 years, and the painting cost is more than 500 crores every time. This is the next image. You can see it is also similar to 100 years of stainless steel cladded building. It is in the service for more than 100 years and it is cleaned only 2 times. So that is the real fact we have. So these are the norms of painting or maintenance of bridges in India. Coastal region, it is mentioned every year, and with metallizing, we have 5 years of maintenance, and non-metallizing, we have every 3 years. But despite all these efforts, bridges fails, and average life of a bridge is only 60 years. Some of the examples I would like to highlight here. One is Gokhale Bridge, which was initially designed for 60 years of design life. However, now it is getting replaced after 40 years of life, even though it had a major repair work after 20 years of service. So the IIT has mentioned that corrosion is a main concern, and that is why the structure is not good in condition. And some more examples of corrosion related issues. These are some of the news articles. There is a big need of a better material, how we can counter this. And this corrosion map we have seen many times. You can see it has been classified into extremely severe, severe and mild conditions. The right side image is pollution map of India. When it combines with the corrosion atmosphere, the maintenance requirement is increasing and the service life reduces. And corrosion is a cost, and it can be reduced if you go for a better material uh, by 33% as per the studies. So is there a solution? Yes, we have a material stainless steel. Worldwide, this has been adopted to counter the issue of corrosion and maintenance less. And for those who are new to stainless steel, it is one slide for you. Stainless steel is nothing but an alloy of iron and chromium. When chromium is added, it forms a chromium oxide layer on the surface that protects the material from getting corroded. Even if it gets scratched, the chromium is available inside the material that combines with the atmospheric oxygen and forms chromium oxide layer. So it is a self-repairing film which forms. It is not visible to the naked eye, but it protects the material. These are some of the facts and myths about using stainless steel. We can see every time whenever we talk about stainless steel, we always feel that it is very expensive, but that is not the case. If you really consider the life cycle costing, it is very less, and we have very limited knowledge about the availability of the grades. More than 100 grades exist, and only few materials are being widely used for different applications. It is also misunderstood that stainless steel is very difficult to form. That is not the case. Understanding is the key. With the same different process parameters with the existing machineries, it can be easily fabricated. It never rusts. Stainless steel, again, it is understanding about the atmosphere and the situation, location where it is going to be used. Right selection of material is also important. Many of the times we misunderstood stainless steel as non-magnetic. That is not the case. There are both magnetic as well as non-magnetic grades are existing. For a structural consultant, these are some of the factors they consider before selecting a material for bridge applications. Where it is going to be used, whether the structure can be light enough, and for cyclic loading, it should withstand, and maintenance should be as less as possible. And stainless steel fits the bill. It offers all the advantages of maintenance free. With the higher strength, you can reduce the structure weight, and It is also sustainable. We will be talking about it in detail. These are the four different major type of stainless steels. It classified into austenitic, ferritic, duplex, and martensitic. For selection of a stainless steel grade, these are different factors. One is the cost, because higher the alloying element of a stainless steel grade, cost is going to be higher. So, right selection of the alloy is also important, and degree of corrosion is also important. What is the design life we are expecting from the structure, and what is the strength level we are expecting. So these are some of the five commonly used grades for structural application. The first one is 300 series. It offers a very good corrosion resistance but lacks of strength. The bottom one is duplex stainless steel, where it offers high strength as well as the corrosion resistance. The middle one is IRS 350 CR grade. It has been recognized as a replacement of carbon steel with a design life of more than 100 years. And railway has given this name IRS 350 CR. IRS Indian Railway Specification. 350 is the strength and CR is corrosion resistant. PREN is this is the formula, pitting resistant corrosion number. To simplify it, higher the PREN number, better the corrosion resistance of a material. So even though the ferritic variant IRS 350 CR is less than other stainless steel variants, but it is almost 11 times better than the carbon steel. Strength-wise, mechanical property-wise, if you compare, stainless steel grades are offers better with better toughness as well. These are some of the performance of IRS 350 CR conducted by IITs and other major institutes. It is almost 51 times better than carbon steel. In terms of fatigue properties, also it is similar or better than carbon steel, and fire performance is also better than carbon steel. It can withstand the strength for a very longer time in comparison to other materials. Carbon, yesterday our director was mentioning about sustainability, and even though carbon emissions are not the only criteria for talking about sustainability, but carbon emissions can be reduced almost half by going for stainless steel over a service life of 100 years. These are the data released by the World Stainless.org website. I'll skip this. Life cycle costing I was mentioning, and if you compare the initial cost, maintenance cost, and repairable cost, and the end of service life cost, for stainless steel as well as the other materials, stainless steel scores better. Stainless steel, even though the initial cost may be higher slightly, but during the service life, if you mention all the calculations, it will come down and it is possible the cheapest solution. And there is a policy also issued by Ministry of Finance to use LCC principles to finalize any construction project. This is the first project approved by railways, and they have done the LCC calculation. So this is done by railways. This is the actual case study of LCC for one of the projects, Bhayandar station. You can see the initial cost increase is not beyond 20% if you compare steel to steel, and the overall project cost is less than 5%. Some of the Indian initiatives we have done so far, we at Jindal Stainless Steel offers following products to issue the counter to counter the corrosion issues. First, we started with stainless steel plates. Then we are getting into fabricated components as well. Now we offer fabricated girders in the name of JSL brand. We also have stainless steel rebars and also stainless steel checkered plates. I'll take you through one by one. Naupada and Srikakulam, these are the first FOBs inaugurated and it is in service. And Bhayandar, it is in Mumbai. You can go and have a look. It is also open to public. Not only foot over bridges, even the road bridges are also constructed. First, this project is also completed with duplex stainless steel. Images of it. Himalaya FOB CST station failure, that project is also completed with stainless steel. Even NHA has recognized the advantages of stainless steel, and they have released stainless steel tenders in the Vizag region with boasting girders. And world's first cable stay stainless steel bridge is also coming up with the pylon of SS in Mumbai. Even MTHL has recognized the advantages, and they have also issued a tender for SS. Many more projects are also considered SS. This is to give you confidence that even though we have started with a small FOB now, we get into road bridges, flyovers, and road over bridges. Not only bridges, even the buildings are now using stainless steel. This is one of the projects. Now they are strengthening it with stainless steel. And Airport Authority has also issued one tender as a trial project in the entire car parking with stainless steel tubular sections. And first stainless steel building has also come up in India, in Chennai, United Insurance Company's headquarters in Chennai. They have all these diagrades structures are load-bearing members and it is of stainless steel 316L grade. There are a lot of policy issues, policy letters issued by different agencies. Railway has issued the first letter of using stainless steel in the corrosion-prone areas for FOBs as well as ROBs. And schedule of rates are also available. MP Madhya Pradesh has issued, Madhya Pradesh PWD has issued a schedule of rates for stainless steel plates, girders as well as rebars and checkered plates. Standard drawings are also available from railways for FOBs, ROBs, and there is a new development which is happening with railways. They have now started going for bolted connections in case of bowstrings instead of welded sections because they wanted to eliminate the side welding. That will be a controlled problem, consistent problem for them. These grades are not very new. This material is already a part of international standards. ASTM A1010 is the grade name given by ASTM standards. And this is also part of the bridge standard. RDSO has already issued a technical specification for using stainless steel. These are the information which is available in their website as well. Anybody can download it. The welding process and fastener usage, everything has been mentioned in that technical specification. The Indian code standard is under development. The draft standard has been already submitted to BIS. Testing is going on, and maybe within 6 months' time, we are expecting Indian code will be released for stainless steel usage in structural application as well. Not only BIS, even the IRC is interested in developing a handbook for designers and structural consultants of using stainless steel, and the draft has been already developed. In the upcoming IRC conference in the month of June, it will be released.
1 minute left.
Yes. A lot of fabrication manuals and all the ecosystem are already existing. Bridge cannot be completed only with the plates and girders. We need nuts, bolts, consumables, everything is available. And anybody finds difficulty, we are there to help you. Some of the international designs and projects executed with the same material. I am skipping in the interest of time. Stainless steel rebar is the other product we have been supplying to different projects. Indian standard is already available. Almost 7 grades are there in the system. It is available as per the carbon steel rebars as well, the same strength levels, but we don't have D variant of stainless steel rebars because stainless steel offers a better elongation, more than 20% elongation. Even the code requires only 14.5%. Policy letters are also available from railways up to 30-kilometer radius. They have recommended to use stainless steel rebars. Even highway has made mandatory use of stainless steel up to 15-kilometer radius, and it is also in the process to increase to 50 kilometers. The last product, these are 1 or 2 slides, checkered plates. Now all the properties are better, be it wear resistance, slip resistance, or abrasive wear resistance. Railway has, RDSO has issued a policy letter of using stainless steel checkered plates in all the pathways in the bridges. We as Jindal Stainless not only limiting ourselves to supplying raw materials, we also hand-holding the fabricators, we provide training, we also give design supports to the decision makers, and also we provide certifications. So for any queries, we are available here, so please keep in touch.